Okay, the CrosyeN project is cropping system experiment network project. Then it is a network of experiment to design and assess cropping system that are more carbon neutral, climate resilient, and that have less impact on the environment than traditional cropping system, and that are productive and, of course, economically viable. Then this my name is Yann Nouvellon, and and the justification is, as Jean-François, Susanna showed, the emission from agriculture is important, about 19% in France, 11% globally, and 21% if we include the land use change. Then we need to reduce this emission. Also, we need to minimize the impact of agriculture on biodiversity and on the water, to minimize water pollution. And we have to adapt agriculture to climate change and to have an agriculture that continue to be productive and to ensure food security. Then this network, include 8 experiments, 4 in France and 4 in tropical country, in which innovative cropping systems are designed by integrating diverse agronomic practice. For example, diversification in the rotation or spatial diversification. We reduce also the tillage or increase residue retention, incorporate legumes to substitute to synthetic nitrogen fertilizer. Then this is some of the picture. We have also an agroforestry system here. And you can see the residue here. Then for all these innovative cropping systems, the goal is to compare to traditional. The objective of the network is first to build this network, because at the beginning it wasn't existed, and after to consolidate, to implement, to increase the instrumentation, and to try to standardize data collection and data management, to make available the data for other projects in FairCarboN. And then to compare the traditional cropping system with more innovative, with agroecological system, and to do for this multi-site and multi-criteria analysis of the performance of the tested system. Some notable facts, this is the first year, but some of the experiments were already existing since some time, but some others are new, and instrumentation continued. Also, I think one of the notable facts, it was among the objectives, but the inclusion of individual experiment in network, I think it gives some visibility to some of the experiments. It can help to get some funding. And this is important because we need to have perennial experiment, because to test the effect, for example, on carbon sequestration, it takes time. Also, the increased visibility can help to get some scientists that take benefit of this platform to do some new measurement, for example, biodiversity. We have started the data retrieving from the different experiments. We collect the data. We have somebody, Benoît Marie, who work on this. Then it's important to have all this data available. And in this process, there are some PI who explored some old data set, because some experiments started a long time ago. And with this data set, they found some new result. We also made an inventory of the soil sample that are stored in different labs. And this will be important after to know exactly what are the samples available and to add some new measurement, for example, NIR, smears, and fractionation of organic matter. Okay, and also it is too early to do the multi-site and the multi-criteria analysis that will be done at the end of the project. We already have some result from the older experiment, for example, that shows that crop species diversification reduce soil disturbance, increase soil cover and residue retention, increase soil carbon stock with low influence on residue, on emission of N2O. Okay.
You can finish. Huh? It's just
no, but I have finished.
It's just a sign that
I have finished.
Time. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay.